Do you trust your media? Do you believe your kids are safe watching TV alone? Do you often wish to protect your children from inappropriate content? Now you can! A safe alternative with Pupose TV. Anywhere in the world. On your TV. On your computer. On Roku box. Pupose TV treats the most critical issues facing humanity with diversity, with a moral perspective. Pupose TV brings you the insights of economical, environmental, and political views, including war, poverty, religion, sports, gender issues, all of which are affecting our society. Pupose TV will reach out to the four corners of the world, the 6 billion human beings, and all the powerful goods and services which dominate and drive global businesses. Pupose TV, media with a moral message.